Scientifically proven. 10 links between garlic and health. Garlic is a healthy food that is hard to beat. Garlic is not only healthy, it can also improve the taste of most foods. It is used in almost all kinds of dishes around the world. This is not surprising, as it is easy to grow, and there are almost no pests in its natural growth, so it also reduces the possibility of containing chemical pesticides or herbicides. People know that garlic has been eaten for thousands of years. There is evidence that the people who built the pyramids 5,000 years ago were eating garlic. Thousands of studies have been conducted on the health benefits of garlic, and it has been shown time and time again that garlic is an effective method of disease resistance and treatment. Garlic supplements are also very popular due to their many health benefits. Old garlic extract is more beneficial to physical and mental health than powdered garlic supplements. Garlic supplements have high safety properties. However, garlic may produce blood thinning effects, so always consult your doctor before you start taking garlic supplements. Number 1. Garlic and weight loss. Several animal studies support the link between garlic and healthy weight. For example, old garlic extract can reduce body weight and liver fat after exercise. Compared with simple treatment, exercise and garlic are more effective than other methods for weight loss. In experiments with rats, it was found that both garlic oil and onion oil reduced the obesity rate and dangerous blood lipids. In experiments with overfed obese mice, it was found that garlic reduced body weight by increasing body temperature and lowering genes that cause white adipose tissue. Liver health is important for a healthy weight. By improving the antioxidant status in animal studies, garlic supplements reduce liver damage from toxins and drugs. These findings are important for liver health and weight management, because the liver helps process food and process nutrients. Garlic also seems to help people maintain a healthy weight. A randomized clinical trial was conducted on 110 patients. Garlic reduced the weight and body fat of patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 2. Garlic and heart disease. In the Mediterranean region, people eat a lot of garlic, causing garlic to widely reduce the risk of heart disease. Experiments in mice found that old garlic reduced arteriosclerosis and the deposition of cholesterol and fat on the arterial wall. Garlic can have a good effect on the heart by reducing cholesterol, arterial calcification, blood pressure, diabetes, and excessive clotting. Ancient Indian medicine has recommended garlic to treat heart disease and arthritis for centuries. Human studies using garlic have found that it has a positive effect on abnormal blood clotting. Excessive blood clotting is often the culprit of heart disease and stroke. Garlic reduces the formation of thrombus oxide, which is a procoagulant factor, and fat, a lipooxide product, that is formed by platelets. Number 3. Garlic and cholesterol. Many studies have shown that garlic supplements help reduce the content of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. It also helps to improve HDL levels. More than 40 studies have found that garlic supplements are beneficial to cholesterol levels. Most studies have used garlic powder, but fresh and old garlic or garlic oil has more benefits that are also more powerful. In most people's research experiments, favorable changes in LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol levels, have been found. Throughout the study, LDL cholesterol was reduced by 11% to 26%. Garlic has 3 ways to help reduce bad cholesterol. A. Prevent oxidation of cholesterol. B. The compounds in garlic, including S-allylcysteine and diallyl disulfide, can reduce cholesterol produced by the liver. C. Garlic can increase the body's ability to remove cholesterol. Number 4. Garlic and blood pressure. A large-scale study of nearly 1,000 patients showed that garlic supplements lowered blood pressure. The anti-hypertensive effect on hypertension is stronger. Studies in rats have shown that garlic can lower blood pressure by increasing blood circulation in the body. A recent study found that raw crushed garlic reduces the systolic and diastolic blood pressure of patients with metabolic syndrome. Garlic has a hormone, prostaglandin-like effect, that can improve blood flow. The compounds in garlic are very similar to blood pressure medications, called ACE inhibitors. Garlic can improve blood pressure by increasing the level of nitric oxide and creating more relaxation in the pulmonary arteries. Number 5. Garlic and diabetes. An analysis of 728 patients with type 2 diabetes found that garlic supplementation reduced fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin levels. The study uses garlic powder, the main active compound of which is called allicin. The dosage ranges from 0.5 to 1.5 grams per day. These reducing effects appeared after 2 weeks, 12 weeks, 24 weeks, and after starting garlic supplements. This indicates that the benefits of garlic for symptoms of diabetes may be long-term, because garlic improves cholesterol and has an effect on weight loss. And these are beneficial to diabetics. Garlic can help insulin make and use insulin, and can improve the use of insulin in the body, reducing insulin resistance. Number 6. Garlic and cancer. Garlic, especially when eaten raw, reduces the risk of cancer. Some digestive cancers include gastric cancer, colon cancer, and esophageal cancer. Garlic also reduces the risk of prostate, ovarian, and endometrial cancer. Garlic is an important source of antioxidants, which may be the reason for reducing cancer risk. It can also reduce the development and growth of cancer cells. Garlic also increases the body's ability to produce its own antioxidants, which may also reduce the incidence of cancer. In animal and cell studies, it was found that garlic reduces the growth of cancer and also improves the efficiency of cancer treatment. In a study that observed the daily food intake of more than 20,000 people, a high intake of garlic was associated with a reduced risk of gastric cancer. A study of approximately 6,000 patients showed that eating raw garlic at least twice a week reduced the risk of lung cancer by 50%. Number 7. Garlic and the immune system. The immune system is very complex. It involves the ability to fight unwanted bacteria and regulate inflammation. Garlic helps the immune system in many ways. Garlic has many strong antioxidant benefits. These antioxidants can improve the immune response and reduce inflammation in the body. It also increases the immune response of immune cells in the body. Garlic also has antibacterial, antiviral and antiparasitic effects in the body. Garlic does not damage the beneficial intestinal flora, but it can help the body resist bacteria, viruses and parasites harmful to the digestive tract. Garlic also helps scavenge dangerous free radicals, which may help prevent physical damage caused by inflammation. However, some people are really sensitive to the lectins in garlic, or have allergic reactions. If you have an allergic reaction, it is best to avoid eating garlic. Number 8. Garlic and infection. The sulfur-containing substances in garlic, including allicin, are antibacterial substances. They are effective against certain drug-resistant bacterial strains, including methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, and certain E. coli. Garlic is beneficial to the treatment of Helicobacter pylori. Clinical studies also include fur infections and bacterial vaginitis. Garlic also has antiviral effects. Garlic may reduce the occurrence of common colds and the date of illness, but more evidence is needed. Garlic has an antifungal effect on green garlic in cell research. Candida albicans is a fungus that can cause diseases throughout the digestive tract, from the mouth to the entire large intestine. In addition, as shown in clinical studies, garlic may help prevent Giardia or beaver fever infections and Candida albicans infections. Number 9. Garlic and skin and hair. Garlic has many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These effects are well known to help keep the skin healthy and protect the skin from premature aging. Garlic may also help alleviate the symptoms of psoriasis, help heal wounds and reduce skin damage from sun exposure. Garlic may also help prevent skin cancer. In addition, it helps to reduce dangerous skin infections called methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. The effects of other skin infections are also considerable. A kind of hair loss called mustard leaf is difficult to treat. In clinical studies, using hot garlic gel and standard treatment compared to placebo, the hair growth rate has increased. Number 10. Garlic and memory. Much of the increase in dementia in the past few decades is thought to be lifestyle-related. Garlic can reduce the risk of memory loss. Garlic can protect our DNA from damage, protect the loss of brain function related to age, and help support healthy brain tissues from age-related loss of brain function. Garlic extract improved the memory of diabetic mice and also helped it keep learning. Garlic also improves memory, even when rats are exposed to lead. Garlic can reduce lead damage to the brain by reducing oxidative damage to tissues. In obese rats and diabetic rats, garlic improves brain function and memory by improving the energy-producing part of mitochondrial cells in the brain. Garlic not only has these 10 health-related effects, but the nutrients contained in garlic are very important. Garlic is rich in selenium and sulfur. The sulfur compounds in garlic are part of garlic's strong medicinal benefits. Garlic also contains magnesium, potassium, vitamin E, glutathione and vitamin C. Garlic also contains many kinds of antioxidants. As a nutrient, sulfur helps the body resist bacteria. It also participates in helping the body make proteins and enzymes function normally. Selenium is a mineral and a powerful antioxidant for the body. It helps protect against pollution damage and contributes to more protection. Magnesium is a calming mineral that has more than 300 functions in the body. Vitamin C helps rebuild tissues and keeps skin youthful by building collagen. Glutathione, selenium and vitamin E are many antioxidants in garlic that protect the body. There are many health effects of garlic. Today, I just cited 10 items. There are many more clever applications of garlic in daily life. Here is the time for you to do your homework. If you like this video, please like it, share it with friends, order my channel, and there will be many interesting things on display. Thank you for your time and goodbye.